Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this review, I am taking a look at Goldminer AI Expert Advisor. It's an EA available for MT5, and right away on the MQL5 Marketplace page, we can see that this trading robot is developed by Ruben Octavio Gonzalez Aveles. At the time of this review, the EA is priced at $399 with a 1-month rental option available for $249. The current version listed here is version 1.4, updated on March 31st, 2025. According to the developer, Goldminer AI combines artificial intelligence with traditional technical analysis techniques to forecast potential market movements. The description explains that the system uses recurrent neural networks, specifically the long short-term memory or LSTM networks, which are trained using technical indicator data to identify patterns that may be relevant to future price behavior. As I continue through the product page, one important detail is that the EA was trained primarily on XAUUSD, which is gold. The developer states that the network learned historical market movements from gold data, although users can still experiment with other instruments if they choose. Another useful detail is that the EA uses the M5 time frame internally, so regardless of which time frame you attach it to, it will operate using the same internal logic. Looking at the feature set, one of the main highlights is dynamic lot sizing. The EA can automatically adjust position sizes based on balance, equity, or user-defined risk parameters. For traders focused on risk control, there are built-in drawdown limiters that can restrict both overall account drawdown and daily drawdown levels, which is particularly relevant for prop firm style trading objectives. The EA also includes trailing take profit functionality, allowing profitable trades to continue running while attempting to secure gains as price moves further in the desired direction. Another notable feature is batch trading, where multiple trades can be opened as part of a single trading setup rather than relying on just one position. Recovery mode is another major component discussed throughout the product page. The developer explains that instead of opening a single large trade, the EA can split entries into several smaller positions. If the market moves against the initial entry, additional recovery trades may be opened, with profits from favorable positions being used to gradually offset losing positions. The description notes that this recovery approach is based on Fibonacci retracement theory. There is also an integral news filter available, allowing traders to avoid entering positions around scheduled economic events. The filter can be customized based on event impact levels as well as the number of minutes before and after major news releases. Moving into the historical testing section, the developer states that the neural network was trained and tested using historical data from January 2010 through June 2023, with forward testing extending through September 2024. For replication purposes, the recommended backtest settings are XAUUSD with every tick based on real ticks modeling, which generally provides a more detailed historical simulation compared to lower precision methods. The developer also notes that 1-minute OHLC modeling may work, although it is considered less accurate. Reviewing the historical chart activity or rather the backtest results that is displayed here, we can see that from an initial deposit of $10,000, over $302.2 million was recorded as the net profits from 2010 to 2023. And the profit factor was an amazing 269.93. The number of trades taken were 15,330, and out of that figure, 15,310 were profitable, meaning 99.87% win rate. All right. Now let's just quickly head over to our strategy tester. Let's see how the Goldminer AI EA performed on XAUUSD in 2026, testing from the first day of the year till date. So it covers about 5 months plus. Let's just see the results. So from an initial deposit of $100,000, the total net profit was $32,413.05. The total trades taken were 630, and the short trades were 390 with a 91.54% win rate. Long trades were 240 with a 94.17% win rate. And out of 630 trades, 583 were profitable, giving us a 92.54% overall win rate. The largest profit was 384.84, largest loss was 2,520.21, average profit 91.07, average loss 440.03. So this tells me that the average risk to reward ratio is very bad, but the win rate is excellent. So perhaps the win rate was able to cover up for the bad risk to reward ratio, giving us a total net profit of over 32% over the space of 5 months plus. So when reviewing the historical chart activity, the overall approach appears centered around managing multiple smaller positions rather than relying on a single trade outcome. The use of recovery batches, configurable recovery distances, recovery multipliers, stop losses, take profits, and trailing profit management all contribute to how positions are handled throughout the historical testing process. When evaluating any historical backtest results, it is important to remember that they represent historical analysis only. Future performance can vary significantly depending on risk settings, lot sizing choices, broker execution quality, spreads, slippage, optimization decisions, and changing market conditions. Even when strong historical results are presented, I would still recommend running your own testing over longer periods and under different settings so you can build a more complete understanding of how the EA behaves. Overall, the Goldminer AI EA for MT5 presents itself as a gold-focused trading system that combines AI-driven market analysis with extensive risk management, recovery functionality, news filtering, and position management tools. As always, before considering live deployment, take the time to thoroughly test and optimize the EA yourself to determine whether its behavior aligns with your own trading objectives and risk tolerance. If you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.